Hello and welcome to the adventures of Sea Pigeon. It's an interesting time of year for us because we're getting everything ready for the summer season. Neil's brought a new gimbal for his camera because we wanted to improve the quality of our videos this season. So when he asked me to suggest somewhere interesting to go and do some filming, I said, let's go to the quay. I just love looking at boats. So this is the Exeter Quay. It's at the end of the Exeter Ship Canal. Join us as we take a look around.
These are the guys from Haven Banks. Given that it's February and damn cold, this cool little dude here is swimming in the ice cold water and enjoying it.
This beautiful boat is a Moody, very similar to Sea Pigeon, but this isn't actually ours. This one's kept high and dry for the winter, whereas ours we keep in the water all winter. Mood swings. Okay, very nice.
This one's for you, Simon.
Some boats are used as a home, and they can be really cozy and really comfortable. There's quite a community of little boats down here at the quay. The perfect summer home. And if you don't like your neighbours, well, you can just move away. Looks like you'd be able to move away quite rapidly in this boat. This boat looks like it would be a really nice fishing holiday type of vessel. This looks like a bit of a project for somebody, but I imagine when it's done, it'll be excellent. I wonder what it looks like inside. Shall we take a look? Do you think it's too nosy? But there's a hole in the side anyway, so how rude could it be to just look through? Now I see potential there. It's a big space. I'm actually a big fan of stainless steel, and this self-steering wind vane has the most wonderfully engineered frame. There's some gorgeous canal barges all wrapped up in canvas for the winter, all waiting for the season to change. Not long now. This barge is in the canal the whole time. I've never seen it out on the river. This boat could take you around the world. May need a bit of a tidy up first though. What do you reckon? I like the red, white and blue. This boat just looks like a party boat to me. Yep, definitely. So this is the Exeter Quay. Lots of good bars and restaurants, and a nice place to hang out. This is where the canal ends and the river begins. Seems popular with the pensioners' coach trip, but it's a great place to people watch too. It's sociable and it's pleasant and the sun's shining. What more could you ask? A nice cup of tea on a sunny afternoon. Join us again as we start our summer season for real. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye.